Tired of feeling like your time vanishes into thin air? Let's unlock the power of Clockify and learn how to create tasks, transforming chaos into a beautifully organized time tracking system. First, ensure you are logged into your Clockify account and navigate to the Projects section on the left-hand menu. Select the project you want to add a task to. Now, click on the Add Task button, which is usually located within the project's details. A pop-up window will appear here. You'll need to enter the task's name in the designated field. Be specific and descriptive so you know what the task entails. You can also add an estimated time if you'd like to track against it and mark a task as billable. Once you've filled in the necessary information, click the Create Task button to save your new task. Then you can move on to your next task. You should now see your newly created task listed under the relevant project. You can click on it to view more details and track time against it. When you start working on this task, simply select it from the task drop-down when tracking time to accurately log your hours. By creating and using tasks, Clockify provides detailed reports on where your time is actually going, providing insights that can dramatically improve your productivity. So, start creating tasks in Clockify today and take control of your time.